I'm Kevin. I'm Northern General Manager of Falcon Tower Cranes Services. My job role involves the running of our northern depots, overseeing the fabrication department, overseeing the paint department, and involvement in the power generation departments. With our original conventional booths, there was no heating. It was just a slow, ongoing process that had to be done. Our lead times were massive. Items that we're painting, jobs that we're taking on are getting bigger and bigger, and we needed a bigger facility, and we needed the heated facility as well to enable the paints to be baked on. But we've chosen SurfacePrep UK for this project because we've purchased a shot blast booth from yourselves in the past, and we've found the equipment to be high standard and does exactly what we needed it to do. Using SurfacePrep UK's new facility, it's massively reduced our completion times and the efficiency that we can get things in and out the door. When we shopped around, there was only SurfacePrep UK that was offering an external containerised unit that we can pick up and move to another location at a later date if we need to. When I first started with Falcon Tower Cranes, they was already using Hodge-Clemco. Since being acquired by SurfacePrep UK, we've now been able to find that we can buy all of the painting equipment on the facilities rather than just the predominantly shot blasting equipment we could get before. I would recommend SurfacePrep UK for products of the same, either shot blasting or painting facilities. They've massively helped us. There's a one-on-one service. They come out, they see you, they tailor what you need to your requirements.